Hey there, Chris with Clean Streak Pressure Washing. We are on our second stop of the day in Dunedin, Florida. We have been called out by this client for the driveway and sidewalks. I'm going to turn this camera around so you can see what we're working with. As you can see, got quite a bit of build up here on the driveway. Sidewalk isn't so bad. We've got everything all set up and ready to go. I'm going to put this up on the tripod and get started. Here you can see we have finished the sidewalks, and we do have a post treatment down. That's what all the suds are that you can see on the sidewalk. As we continue on, this is the condition of the driveway. And of course, the walkway to the front door. We are all wrapped up and heading to our next stop.